Okay, today's video is about quick fixes for back pain.
Oh.
So obviously, I mean, this needs to be said. If you have back pain, it's best if you consult a medical provider and figure out what exactly is going on with you. But sometimes people aren't so worried about it and they're not ready to go see a medical professional about it, and they want to see what they can do to resolve some of their back pain. And I was in particular inspired. You might get back pain from coughing, actually. Yeah, it's true. It's true. People have pain from coughing.
And you have to cough correctly.
Yeah.
We can talk about that in a second. Keep going.
Yeah. Maybe we can talk about that next week.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, so I was inspired by my husband, who is trying to train for a half marathon. Or he is training for a half marathon. Go, Eric. And he had some back pain while running, and he knows that there's this one movement that he can do that he was taught by his physical therapist that helps him when he has back pain. And that is to just do a little bit like about a half baby squat, not all the way down. Baby squat, put your back against the wall and tilt your tailbone under until your low back is pressing the wall, and hold that. That kind of stretches his back and wakes up his deep core, and that resolves some of his back pain. And that helps me too, actually, and it's helped a lot of the people that I've worked with. So do you have any quick fixes?
Yeah. So my favorite go-to exercise is similar, but it's pelvic tilts. Because in my opinion, a lot of times that low back probably isn't getting helped activated by the deep core, so it gets stiff and locked. And to kind of pump that synovial fluid, which is what gives your joints its movement ability, that's what kind of feeds the joint, is just to lie down and do rock and roll your pelvis.
Yeah, so this is pretty similar to what I was doing, but just lying down on the ground. So there you go.
Usually followed by a little bit of rotation.
Yeah. So these movements could actually increase pain if you have really bad back pain. So give this a try gently and see if it works. And then if it doesn't, then go consult a medical professional. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.